We're believing in the internet right
Yes.
now.
Come on. Does this actually work?
Does it work? Oh, it's floating. We all know how hard it is to keep our beauty sponges and blenders clean.
But it is essential and a must.
Today on Crash Test Beauties, we are gonna try out 3 internet cleaning hacks to see if they really work.
So stay tuned to the end to see how you can win your own beauty sponge pack.
We took our bar soap and then we really scrubbed it in there.
I really like that one.
I liked it too.
Yeah, because it really went inside, deep inside the beauty blender. So then when you squeezed it, all pigment came out.
Yeah, all the pigment was just like flowing. You could really see that it was working. Kind of like a satisfying feeling.
Yeah, it was. And it smelled good. So that was a plus.
Yeah. First off, we poured in a little bit of olive oil, then we poured in some of the soap. And place the beauty blender in, mix it all together. And we like really mixed it in there.
That one was a lot of soap. But when we squeezed it, everything came out, so I think it was good.
Scale of good to bad, it was like pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good.
All right, we're finally here.
Finally.
The ultimate test,
Finally.
the microwave hack test.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Let's get it going.
So we've got our water here. I'm gonna put some dish soap in it to make it soapy. We've got a dirty beauty blender and we're gonna soak it in there. We're gonna open this microwave.
Dun dun dun.
It smells like 50 ramen packets. We're gonna set it for 1 minute. Are you ready?
No.
Okay, let me know when you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready. Does this actually work?
Does it work? Oh, it's floating.
Oh, it's hot. It definitely cleaned a little bit,
Yeah.
but just deep inside it didn't clean.
We still see all the product here. So we're gonna try it one more time.
I'm craving ramen now.
Me too. I was very hopeful.
I don't think it's gonna work anymore.
We're believing in the internet right
Yes.
now. Here we go.
Okay.
Okay, it's very hot. It did clean it, but it didn't deep clean it.
Yeah, I give it a 4. Not
Yeah.
good, but okay.
Went from amazing to pretty good to
Boo. The first one is my favorite. It cleaned it really quick too.
yeah.
It didn't take that much time.
I would say this is the winner. If there's
Yeah.
any beauty sponge cleaning hack you would do,
The
I would
first
definitely
one,
say the
yeah.
first one.
Not that one. That one smells like ramen.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching Crash Test Beauties.
Now it's giveaway time. You'll be getting 3 sponges and a cleanser.
To win this, just comment down below and let us know what you want to see us try next. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.